So you'll need 4 260s. I am going to use Sempertex Reflex Lime Green, my favorite, aside from the gold. And it's going to be kind of like what we just did for the other balloons. We're going to inflate 2 260s, tie them together. I'm going to put 4 pumps of air. So I'm going to leave about that much. Sorry for your ears. I think it could have maybe taken 5 pumps, but we'll see. I think I did them with 4. And now we need 2 more 260s. I stretched it already. Okay, so now we have 2 sets. I'm going to place that right in between. Twist it over. Okay, so we're going to make over here 2 little bubbles, so it should be like that. Okay, so you have your 2 bubbles. This part of the 260 is from the bubble 260. So now this you're going to bring down. You're going to bring the sides up. And you're going to twist. Let's see if that's right. Then you're going to bring these up and twist. And I always like to give the balloon a squeeze. So now these 2 are going to go down. These are going to come back up and twist. I will be doing this again. I feel like I might have done something wrong. We'll find out. Okay. That's going down. This comes up. These 2 are going to go down. These come up. Definitely going to do this again. And we're going to run out of space, but that's great because now I'm going to just tie that. Give me back my finger, please. And then these 2. Just going to twist them together. tie them together, those two ends. And then for the other one, I just brought that kind of up in between here and tied it. I don't think I did this one perfect, but it still turned out. Sempertex Spring Lilac. Let's get a purple. Sometimes though I prefer to use the chrome balloons, but I made these pretty soft. Okay, so I'm going to attach them together, and we're going to make little two bubbles. Have this. Now we're going to fold these two on the top over. This. Okay, I'm going to fold that over, bring these two to the front, and twist. And these two are going to go down. This is going to come up. This is going to come up. And you're going to twist. Again, these two are going to go down. These are going to come up. And you're going to twist. Send these down, bring these back up, and twist. Bring these back down, these up, and twist. Again, you're going to take these, put them down, pull the ones from the bottom up, and twist. Those down, pull that up, and they'll light up the same size, twist. And let's see, I'm going to bring this up and twist. Now I'm going to take the air out of these at the top. tie them. Just have to unwrap. These ones, I'm going to twist them together. So that we have a little bubble, just like in the beginning. And I'm going to take the air out of those. Tie that together. And then I'm just going to bring that up to the top and tie it up there.